Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Next weekend deal, right? Next weekend deal, June 26th to the 28th. 30% off all items, $20 and under, limit 5, and 30% off $10 and under for everybody else. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll just go over the fine print, and then we'll look at some of the suggestions that you should look at. As always, HARBRO's comment in the comments of what items you target, because those lists that you make are the most helpful. But I'll try to give some recommendations. Again, please consider liking and subscribing if you find this useful. But let's look at the fine print. So, ITC 30% off all items, $20 and under, limit 5, June 26th to the 28th, limit 5, valid in store while supplies last, valid 6/26 to 6/28, no coupon required, discount applied at the register, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, no value, no cash value, non-transferable, excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. That's for ITC. Maybe they've had this limit 5, but limit 5, HARBROs know that, it doesn't say limit 5 per day, so you go to a different store. If you're friendly with your cashier or your store manager, they tend to be a little bit more friendly with what they let you get away with, so always be nice. But then for the super coupon, 30% off all items, $10 and under, limit 5, June 26th to the 28th, limit 5, valid in store while supplies last, 26th to the 28th, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, excludes Inside Track Club membership, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards, coupon required for non-members. Inside Track Club members receive discount at the register. Interesting that they say that. Other restrictions may apply. Straightforward, one of the best sales of the year. They've done it once where there was 30% off of $25 and under, but $20 and under, we are somewhat happy. June 26th. So this is the next weekend deal, starting Friday the 26th through the 28th. And don't forget, just as a reminder to everybody, of course, 7 days of deals are going on right now alongside the storage days. Don't forget about those. Let me know what you've picked up. But let's go into what we should look at for 30% off all items, $20 and under. Of course, here are the 7 days of super deals. This ends the 25th, so we won't be able to try any stacking here because these go through Thursday. But one place that we do start always is the instant savings. Now, again, 9 out of 10 stores will allow you to stack the instant savings. There's always HARBROs that confirm it the day of that they're able to go in and stack. I've gone in and stacked. But there's, of course, some HARBROs that say that their store is just one of the unlucky few. But we'll start off here at the $20 and under mark. And wouldn't you know how some of the HARBROs have called it? We have the Icon Magnetic Tool Mat down to $20. So it's $19.99. Already great. Already 20% off with the instant savings. But you're going to get an extra 30% off of $20. Probably don't need the calculator, but 30% off. Get it down to $14, assuming it's in stock. So may the Harbor Freight lords wish them favor in their stocking. Hopefully they can keep these super stock. $14, that's better than the Walmart Hyper Tough mat. At $14, steal of a deal. So that I know that's going to be a popular one. Let's look at what else. Instant savings, the Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $20. Get that down also to $14. Already a 33% off, so it'll be 50% off. Crazy deal. Most people need some gas cans. There's a 5-gallon gas can, Garage Boss, or the Midwest can. Available, you can do it everywhere. But they're both down to $20, both only 9% off, so you're only saving about $2 originally, but get them down also to $14, saving an extra $6. We do have this Pittsburgh half-inch drive extendable ratchet, also down to $20. 13% off, so $3 off originally, but get that down also to $14. So some decent items here. We have the Braun Lumen 400 lumen rechargeable pen light with UV light, $20, already 20% off. Get it down to $14. And of course, the Bauer 2.2 amp orbital quarter sheet sander, $20, 20% off also. Get that down to $14. Midwest can 5-gallon diesel can. So choice of course, regular gas or diesel in yellow. $20 all, and the Garage Boss all 9% off, all normally $22. Get them down to $14. And for the Tart Bros, there's a few more of you than I knew of. We have this 11-foot 4-inch by 15-foot 6-inch heavy-duty reflective all-purpose weather-resistant 9mm tarp. Already 15% off for instant savings, down to $17. But that $17 will turn into $11.90. So sub $12 when it's normally $20. So save $8 there. A couple more Pittsburgh torque wrench options here. 3 options, the 1/2-inch, 3/8 inch, and the 1/4-inch drive, all of them down to $15. So the price is the same for all of them, but the biggest discount is at the 1/2-inch drive, 10 to 150 foot-pound click torque wrench, 31% off. So normally $22, already a decent deal at $22, but it's down to $15. And of course, $15, 30% off, get it down to $10.50. Is that nuts for a torque wrench? Nuts for a torque wrench. And what kind of warranty does it have? Lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty for the 1/2-inch drive, 10 to 150 foot click torque wrench. They're all going to go down to the same price. They'll all go down to the same price, $10.50. You're just getting the biggest discount at the 1/2-inch level. Of course, some Pittsburgh impact socket adapter sets, 7 and 3 option. Oh, the 3 option is the one that's down 25%, 3-piece. $6. At $6, we're not saving as much, but still 30% is what? That's $1.80 off. So get this sub $4. That's nuts. That's crazy. The ammo can, already the ammo can 30% off. So you're already saving, what is that, $6? So at $14, get that down to $9.80. $9.80. Okay, excellent. We have some Maddox 1224 volt remote starter switch down to $13, 35% off. Get that sub $10. Some more reciprocating saw blades. These we won't go into the discount. Of course, one of the Pittsburgh meme tools. Ooh, can't skip the Pittsburgh Pro. Pittsburgh Pro Alert 3/8-inch drive, high visibility socket, 14% off, down to $12. Get $3.60 off extra, so get it about $8. Butane micro torch is always fun, down to $12, 20% off. Save an extra $3.60. The Pittsburgh 10mm metric essential socket set, 10-piece, down to $12, only 14% off, but with the 30% off is excellent. We will look at the rest, even though the savings down here are a little bit less. Always good to know for the HARBROs. Look at these. This top row is all already 20, 26, 21, 15% off. Some Hallmaster, some brushes, the Central Machinery Sawhorse, 350-pound capacity. Brand new tool from Merlin, down to $11. The Red Rags of Death down to $10, 33% off already, so get an extra $3 off. And of course, also available in white. Braun 800 lumen light, already down 25%, so save a few extra bucks there. But that's where we start. Oh, don't forget the foam kneeling pad for your loved one for Father's Day. You know who you are. Foam kneeling pad, 1.5-inch thick. Protect your knees against rough surfaces. This is a HARBRO approved, $5. Get an extra 30% off. Literally nuts. Bottles are always great. Quint scraper tool is great. Cable tie is fantastic. Yukon 12-inch zipper utility pouch, already super clutch, but it's already down to $249. Save an extra almost 75 cents. So that's where I start. Instant savings. Get some of the best deals right here. And of course, the popular one, the Icon magnetic mat. Well, let me know what you're going to get for these ones that will maximize your deal under 20%. The other place where we go is we check out some of the new tools, which there are some new tools, but not under $20. Badlands 6-ton off-road jack stands. So we'll sort this from high to low. And the reason we look at new tools is just because, they go on sale, but they won't go on sale as often. Prime example, Pittsburgh, brand new 1/4-inch drive indexable head ratchet, $20. Get that down an extra $6. So get that for $14. Some Hallmaster ratchet straps at $20. Brand new tool, Hercules carbon steel wheel and brush set, 5-piece. Get that down to $14. Brand new 16-quart oil container with drain pan, $20. Get that down to $14. The new Braun 500 lumen rechargeable portable folding LED work light. Also get that down to $14. Some nozzle kits, oscillating multi-tool, metal grinding gears, brand new from Bauer. This magnetic tray, which is on sale right now for an extra 25% off. Well, you might as well wait for the 30% off. Even better deal. So be careful with those. The Doyle GFCI receptacle tester, $15. What we just had. Was it exactly 30%? So just a re-up on the Doyle. At least this one, that's $15. Get that an extra 30% off. All these magnetic accessories, 30% off. All in brand new purple. Bronze 750 LED, Lumen LED portable work light with rotating handle and stand, $15. The Doyle dual range non-contact voltage tester, crazy price at $13. Merlin pistol grip tire inflator, $13. Save in extra, what is that? $3.90. Sub $10. The Grant double XL ultimate microfiber drying towel, $11. Great option. And of course, we went over the instant savings. Grant's edgeless microfiber towels. I got these on the last instant savings, I believe. $11. Good discount. Those are great options to look at. Is the brand new tools. And then just in general, I will, if you're crazy enough like me, and you probably are if you're a HARBRO, to go this deep, we go to the list everything, page 63 of every item at Harbor Freight, and we're looking for everything that's $20 and under, starting with the Franklin capacity hardwood dolly. I wish I could actually do like a 3-hour video where we just go through everything that's $20 and under, but no, that's a different day. 6-inch rubber caster. I'll have this linked in the description. 5-piece Pittsburgh plier set with comfort grips for the moving bros. 80-inch by 144-inch extra large double-sided moving blanket. Classic blue 11 by 23 foot all-purpose weather resistant 4mm tarp. Get that down to $14. Some binoculars. What? 10 by 50 wide angle binoculars for $14. Medium ceramic abrasive. Some bolt cutters for $14. Voyager magnetic 250-pound pull retrieving magnet for $14. Of course, here's the Icon magnetic tray. Doyle 4-pound steel cross peen hammer for $14. Did have the Doyle rules days recently, and we'll just go over a few. Of course, we won't go up through everything. 1000cc gravity feed paint cup, Doyle 4-vial conduit level, stainless steel toolbox for $14. End nippers, be careful. You want to nip the nips. Bauer titanium high speed drill bit set, 21-piece, non-ratcheting combination wrench set, SAE and metric, 22-piece for $20. Get that down to $14. This has been a better deal at 50% off. The Warrior heat gun, some Badland Apex forged alloy winch hook, down to $14. Voyager 10-pocket oil tan leather tool pouch, a caliper, 4-inch from Pittsburgh digital caliper for $14. Steel nailing hammer from Doyle. The magnetic socket holders from US General, get those down to $14. Extreme duty weather resistant 12mm tarp. I think it's a better deal right now, but 30% off wouldn't have been bad. Of course, stack the instant savings. Holt Industries and self-adjusting oil filter pliers down to $14. The Daytona extra long high leverage 1-piece floor jack handle for $14. And the list goes on and on and on. RIP Oliver Tree. The glue gun. Some hand tools for Bauer that'll get 30% off. So if you invested in the Bauer line, I think this is the one Bauer, maybe there's a few more, but at $20 you get the glue gun for $14. Get an anvil for $14. Betsy flags, made in the USA, so it is sold in Minnesota. 3x5 foot embroidered American flag, perfect time. Get it down to $14. 4th of July is right around the corner. Even some Icon tools are falling in. Icon 8-inch hose grip pliers, $20 is a decent deal. Some Pittsburgh Pro pry bars, great option. Old-fashioned Auga 12-volt car horn for $14. That's wild. Replacement filters for Hercules and Bauer vacuums. The quarter sheet sander is $20, already 20% off, so get that down to $14. The world is our oyster for all of these $20 that are maximizing the savings here at the end. Ranger flat top stabilizing gel knee pads, great option, $14 for the loved ones. Even the mini steel toolbox down to $14 is also a solid option. Icon new lower price, 9% off. The 10-inch half-inch drive speed collar impact extension bar. Get that down to $14 for Icon. Quinn, fall in love with the stripper named Quinn? Yes, please. $20. Get that down to $14. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. There's a lot. There's plenty to go through. Want to let you know it's coming up next weekend. 30% off all items. $20 and under. Limit 5. 26th to the 28th for ITC. New Inside Track Club imagery here. And then super coupon for everybody. All items $10 and under. Limit 5. June 26th to the 28th. And I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you're going to get. Let me know if you're excited. Let me know if you've taken advantage already of the 7 days of super deals, which are going on right now through the 25th. So you got a week. Storage days also going on. Again, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.